Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get rid of foot pain fast and easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 6 simple things that you can do to hopefully get rid of your foot pain. Now these things will work pretty much in any situation with any type of foot pain that you have, whether it's on the top of your foot, on the bottom of your foot, towards the front of it, towards the back of it, wherever the pain is, these things will likely help you out. Now I'm going to go through them in order. Some of them you don't need any equipment, and others you need some simple things that you can find around the house. And then for others you might need to go ahead and go and order some special things from a special person who specializes in foot pain and orthotic treatments and stuff like that. So orthopedic treatments and stuff like that. So number 1 is massage. Now you can go and look up specific massages for your feet, and you can massage specifically the area that that is in pain. But if you really just want to get the job done, to be honest with you, you can just massage your foot in general. Just take your hands and just massage your foot. If you have one of those massage tools, those will work really well as well. Just literally massage your toes, massage your feet, just rub the soles and the tops of your feet. And usually that does the job, to be honest with you. You don't need any specific massage movements. You can look those up and you can use them. But as long as you're massaging your feet, the job should get done, and you should eliminate or alleviate some of the pain. Number 2 is ice and elevate. So you want to ice your feet. If they're swollen, if they're in pain, you want to ice them. That will bring down the swelling and elevate them. So, you don't have to elevate them for the whole night, but you can elevate them for half an hour at a time. If you're lying down on the couch watching a TV show or a movie, just put some pillows under your feet and bring them up higher than the rest of your body. What that's going to do is that's going to drain a lot of the liquid that is accumulated in them, which will bring down the swelling and therefore hopefully alleviate some of the swelling that is causing potentially that pain in your feet. Okay? Number 3, custom orthotics. What I have here are custom orthotics, very simply put. They actually do a great job. There's tons of different kinds that you can have. I'm just going to make sure there were some stickers on them before. I took the stickers off just because I had a little bit of information on them, but yeah, there's nothing on here. So you can see right here, this is a side profile of what they look like. These ones are actually the sport orthotics that I use. There's different types of orthotics. You can have sport orthotics. You can have any types of orthotics, to be honest with you. But go and look at a professional. I mean, you can get the over-the-counter ones, but I would recommend that you go and consult a professional, because these ones, for instance, are done by a professional orthotic insert, and they work really, really well. Just like I said, I'm just making sure that there's no information on them because I did already take the stickers off. I'm just making sure. Yeah, so they're really simple. They essentially just create a concave or convex, I'm not sure what it is, but they create a rounding of your foot. Because I have flat feet, they create a rounding of your foot wherever it needs to be, which could be the cause of your foot pain. I did experience foot pain before. After using my orthotics, the foot pain is pretty much gone for the most part because I do have flat feet, okay? Number 4, get better shoes. Now, I am Mr. Frugal, I will admit that. So spending money on shoes for me is like, oh my gosh, why do I have to buy shoes again? But at the end of the day, if buying better shoes will eliminate or alleviate your foot pain, then it's worth it. I'm not talking about necessarily just brand name shoes for looks. That's a whole different story. You can buy those if you want to, but they won't necessarily help your feet. But orthotic shoes, comfortable shoes, walking shoes, running shoes, training shoes, shoes that are meant to do a specific thing that you're trying to do will definitely help to alleviate a little bit of the foot pain that you're dealing with, okay? Number 5, do foot stretches. Now you can go and look up the specific stretches that you need to do for your feet. Luckily for you, I've actually done a video on it. So if you look up foot stretches for foot pain, you're probably going to come across my video. I think you'll likely hear my voice again in that video, most likely. But very simply put, you can do any stretches that stretch the foot. You see, the foot is so used to being compressed just because of the way that we walk. You want to stretch it out essentially, okay? So any stretches that will stretch out your foot both width-wise and lengthwise. So lengthwise and widthwise will help you out. But look up the specific stretches for wherever you're experiencing foot pain as well. Lastly, this one is very simple, and it's probably one of the most effective things that you can do. Just get a can. Like, you can buy these. It depends on where you live. I live in Canada, and I believe that when these are on sale, they're like 99 cents. So my wife and I stock up on all sorts of beans. We have like a ton of different cans of beans and tomatoes to make sauce and stuff like that. And we just stock up on them. So we have lots of these. Essentially what you want to do is take any can like this or anything that's round, it can even be a tennis ball, and you want to roll it under your foot. Okay, so just roll it under your foot like this. But what I recommend that you do is do this, okay? And then when you're ready, because it will cause a bit more pressure, do it on the floor. So put the can on the floor and roll your foot, move your foot back and forth over the can on the floor, which will essentially accomplish the same thing, but with a little bit more pressure. Don't step on it, like don't put your full body weight on it, but just put the weight of your foot on it, okay? So that's basically it. If you do those things, then oh, my right foot feels absolutely incredible after just doing those few things. If you do those things, it should hopefully make your foot feel better and get rid of that foot pain. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.